Namaskar, standard one students. Today we will discuss our computer subject. From this day, we are starting our revision class of first term examination. Yes, chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. These are the three sub chapters are in first term computer syllabus. So from today we are starting our revision class. We are looking at chapter 1 revision class. We will start our discussion from fill in the blanks. Okay, number 1, fill in the blanks. We will discuss with fill in the blanks, because with this we can look in the small details in chapter 1. We can look small details of chapter 1. We can look in every points of every lines, in every whatever it comes important or usual things. We can see everything. Okay. Number A. Number A, machines are dash things. Number B, computer is an artificial gas machine. Number C, machines what make our work. Machine make our work easier and dash. Number D, machine helps us to do what? Machines, machines help us to do what? Dash and in less time. Number E, dash is also known as, dash is known as FATHER, father of computer. Dash is known as father of computer. Then number F, abacus, dash is the first computer in the world. Dash is the first computer in the world. Number G, abacus, ABACUS, abacus was founded in dash. Abacus was founded in dash. Okay. Number 8, machine Okay, number, fill in the blanks. This is our revision. REVISI or revision chapters. Number A, machines are dash things. In this fill in the blanks, there we can write any one of two answers. There could be two answers. Machines are, number one option is artificial thing and number two is man-made things. Sorry, man-made things. So we can write any one of these two. Number A, artificial, ARTIFICIAL, artificial things. That can be an answer. Or man-made, MANMADE. Both are correct answer. Okay, machines are man-made things or artificial things. Number B, computer is an artificial dash machine. From one thing is it is written that computer is a machine. First, we block that computer is a machine. Machines are man-made things or artificial things, and it is artificial or man-made things. That means computer is an artificial. We have to write different from them, and that is electrical. ELECTRICAL, electrical things, because every machines are not electrical things. We use cycle to go one place to another place, but cycle is not an electrical machine. It is a manual machine. Computer is an artificial electrical electronic machine. Okay, number C, machines make our work easier and faster. FASTER, faster. For an example, today in our current season, winter has gone, summer is slowly, winter has gone, summer is slowly coming to us. So when we feel hot, we start a fan. We can also use a hand fan, but after some time we feel tired. So electrical fan helps us in that thing. So we see machines make our work easier and faster. Number D, machines help us to do work dash and in less time. Machine helps us to do work. What will be the answer? We can say machine helps us to do work easier, or we can say faster and in less time. If we say faster, that means we also say in less time. That means we cannot say faster. If we say easier, that how can I say that it is making in less time? That means we have to say machine helps us to do what? Accurate. ACCURATE, accurate and in less time. Number E, dash is known as father of computer. The answer is Charles Babbage, CHARLES, Charles Babbage, BABBAGE. Number F, dash is the first computer in the world. You can also say the same line can also be given, that like dash is the first computing machine in the world, or the dash is the first calculating device in the world. same line, same answer, but the line will be different. Okay, the answer is abacus. A-B-A-C-U-S. Abacus. Abacus was founded in dash. Abacus was founded in China. You can see that line sentence in the book. Yes. First of all, it was used in China. First of all, abacus was founded in China. It was invented in China. But look at the sentence. First of all, this is the sign that abacus was, if China invented first, that means they are using it first. Number 8, the last one, machine helps us to dash our time. Machine helps us to dash our time. We are using machine. The same example your computer sir gave a few minutes before, that we use cycle to go one place to another. Why? If we walk to go to our school from our home, whatever we take time, if we use cycle in that place, it will take less time. That means machine helps us to save our time. Machine helps us to save our time. Okay, this is our CW and SW for today. To all standard 1 CW plus SW, to all standard 1 students, namaskar.